Good day, everybody. This is BB Venture. Please don't mind the noise in the background. It's because of the place I'm working is too noisy. I'm in Lagos. Thank you. Today I'm going to train you on how to use carry board to make fascinator. You get your carry board paper, then you cut it out from your carry board. You cut a round circle out, then you make a small circle in the middle and a tail, and you cut it out. Look at the way it is. You cut it out like this. It will give you this design. After that, you join it together like this. You put your hook gum. You join it. After you have joining it, look at the way it is now. You will get your cloth. You get your cloth that you are going to use to cover it. If the cloth is transparent, you need to buy lining to cover it before you join the lining lace or any cloth that you want to use to cover it. But if the cloth is not transparent, you can use it like that. Then you take your hook gum, you spread your cloth on it. Gum it. Look at it, I've gummed it. After gumming the outside, you turn it to the other side, that is the inside. You cut the leftover. See, I've done it. Then you cut another cloth lining that you will use to cover this place. To cover this side. You can see it, we have covered it. Cover the inside and cover the outside. You now get your bias and use it to tape this place round in order to cover this shape, this nakedness there. Now we are going to design. Take your cremolini. I'm going to teach you simple design. Take your cremolini. You fold it, then tack it. You do a simple hemming down. This is the way I'm doing it. Sorry. Have to do it again. Can you see it? Then we join it, we tack it together. Then you take it, tack it to your fascinator. You see it. You see it. Then to block this size, you create a small design to block the center. Take your crinoline again. Roll it inside like this. See it. Then you place it on it to block that shape. Can you see it? We have finished our design. This is what it will give you. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.